Good day, everyone, and thanks for joining us here in the charts. You are tuned into the market-based edition. Yes, it is your fellow compadre speaking, of course. We're going to talk about the GOEV stock once again. We made a recent video here. I think we nailed the call so far. I actually have a bullish target for you guys. I actually found an actual bullish target, not an estimate. So I'm going to reveal that for you guys here in this video. And if you are just joining us, welcome in. It's really simple. We find support, resistance, and patterns to determine the direction of the market. It's really that simple. So, leave a comment, subscribe with us. This really helps the channel, guys. The YouTube algorithm really picks up the channel and the videos. So we appreciate you for doing that. And every single one of our loyal subscribers, guys, welcome back. Let's not waste time, guys. We're going to dive right into this GOEV chart here, shall we? All right, so today's January the 6th, 2021, and the current price of this is going to be $14.68. It's up about 4.1% for the day. Okay. All right, so this is the stock and everything. Let's go ahead and pull up the lines here. Yeah, we can do that right now. Okay, so the projection cone is still the same right here, okay? The only thing that has changed is I still have for the critics, I know you guys are listening. The $11.20 has not changed. I just got rid of that line on the chart for now. I still do think that the price can reach that level, but I do have a bullish target, okay? I'm going to reveal that for you guys. And for those of you who are just joining us, listen, I am some noob on YouTube. I'm just some Joe Schmo, but let me at least show you that our credentials are pretty solid here. We made a video, and we posted it on January the 4th, making a prediction about this stock. We're going to rewind it so you can see what the price was at the time of the video. We got 975 views, guys. Thank you so much. Every single one of you, 33 thumbs up. Somebody say that's not a lot of views, dude. It's a lot of views to me, and I thank every single one of you for taking your time out to look at the videos. Every one of your comments here, if you guys see your name on the screen there, Jack, 8-Bit Grit, Mirage, I'm sure I messed that up, Nicole Harris, Jack Davis, Jack, not sure how to say the last name, Bo Diddley, every single one of you guys, thank you for supporting the channel. Hopefully you guys can stop in and leave a like on this video before we get started here. But let's listen in on the information that we put out in that video, and that information goes as followed. My identified level, according to my thesis and my extensive technical research, is $11.20. So let me just get that out there for the critics, okay? But an alternative level, just in case, it wants to bounce before it eventually, if it's going to reach the $11.20 level, would be this other white line, the alternative line that I put here at about $12.62. So there you have it, folks. $12.62 was the level that we predicted. And as you can see here on the screen, well, actually, let's go back to the video so this way you guys can see what the price was at the time of that video. It's not a huge call, but it was definitely one of our alternative levels. So it was about $13.80 and continuing the down pressure to the downside there. I guess if you could pull up the daily candles, you could probably see it a little bit better. So we came out with a video on, what was that? I'm not even sure, guys. Short-term memory loss, sorry. January the 4th. It's going to be right about, these are the daily candles here. So it was actually, yeah, on the bottom, like literally right there. And it actually went down on that day and bounced at this $12.60 level, if you guys were able to hear that in the video. So there you have it, guys. If you guys are just joining us, I mean, we do the best we can, okay, to get these numbers right. We still do have that target down at about 1120. I don't think that's going to happen right now. 1120 is right down here. I don't think that's going to happen right now. I think we're up against a bounce. I do think that it would be a short-term bounce, okay, for the bulls. I'm not sure if that's correct, but this is just how I'm seeing the charts here, guys, and this is my overhead target that I'm going to explain to you here in just a second if you don't already see the price there on the screen. So there's a few things that I want to kind of go over in that video. So I wanted to say that this is, I think, like a SPAC stock or something like. It's an EV company. Yes, I don't. Guys know I don't do the fundamentals, but I did find out that it is an EV stock. Okay, these stocks are really volatile, guys. Like if you don't have strong hands, you're probably going to get shaken out of this market. And I do have confirmation that the price will likely revisit and potentially even break through this $20 level. So I don't think I said that in the video. I think it said it will make a lower high, and I still do believe that. If we get a bounce at some point here in the short to midterm, it would make a lower high, because honestly, I mean, thumbs down for saying this, but guys, this is just my opinion. I think, because I've seen this before on the SPAC stock, I think it's going to actually break through the floor. Like it's probably going to get sub $9.50. So that's just, I'm going to put that out there right now. Okay. I think this stock is going to be a real roller coaster for those who have weak hands. They're going to get shaken out of the market. And the path is clear above $20. It will, not will, I can't say that. It will likely break through $20 again at some point in the future. I already have confirmation of that because of the way that a very unique way that I look at the candlesticks. Okay, a lot of people don't understand when I say that, but eventually the price will break through $20 and potentially stay through $20. So that's for the bulls, guys. You know, that is what I am seeing. I just can't tell you how long it would take for that to happen. I do think that this market will experience, like I said, a really quick shakeout. And let's just go over the price target that I have here. I'm not sure how long it would take, but let me be very specific. As long as the price actually stays above the alternative level that we predicted at about $12.60, whether it gets a revisit, whether it kind of consolidates, the same thing as revisit, that's redundant. But even if it just doesn't even come back down to that level and it just kind of hovers above it, maybe above the $13 level and consolidate and make some sort of curvature up to this line, my price target is going to be at about $19.93, guys, right there. Okay, I would actually set sell orders right there. I wouldn't try to mark it out because I think it's going to get volatile. It's going to get really volatile in this market, guys, because the price will probably have this significant bounce. Remember, I don't know if you guys follow my my daily stuff or every other day. The markets are not just going to go straight down. That's not how it works. It's the ebbs and flows. It's going to go up and down, and up. And that was obviously a dramatic move. I'm exaggerating there, but the markets never go down. I think the markets are in a position right now to bounce. Obviously, right? I mean, I don't sound like a genius because the price is green today, but I will not enter this market right now. Okay, I'm waiting on some sort of retracement. Maybe there's still 2 more days on this weekly candle. So if we can get a nice red day above this green line, a negative day, that would be an ideal entry for me. And again, I would like to ride this up to the 1993 level. So I don't even know if they have contracts for this. I'm going to check that out. If they do, I will start buying some probably $15 contracts. I like buying out of the money contracts, guys, but it has to be a negative day. I don't like buying into the markets on green days. It just never works out for me. So that's what I'm seeing here. And I just wanted to stop in and share that with you guys, that I think I had more of a really bearish tone on the previous video. I do see the outlook of this company eventually reaching $20 or higher. The real question is it actually going to hold when it breaks above that level? I mean, obviously, people who thought when they were buying it at $22, they thought it was going to skyrocket higher up to $30, right? But the markets can change on you guys. Remember, the markets are set up for us to lose money. And I know some people they're uncomfortable with me saying that, but if you don't have a strategy that you stick with over and over, right, that has been implemented and has worked over and over and over, you're going to get hurt out here in these markets, guys. You have to understand how to diversify your portfolio and how to enter and exit these markets at profits, okay? I mean, again, for you long-term investors, I mean, this is obviously different. You're probably just scaling to your positions here. I mean, this is a really nice area that I would take a look at. Not financial advice, $12.60. Obviously, there's been some buying reaction at that level here over the past week. So that's what I'm seeing here, guys. So this is the range for me. I know it's a pretty big range, $12.60 up to $19.93 is where I would like to play it up to and sell out and potentially put it down. No, I'm getting a thumbs down for that, but that's just me, guys. I'm bearish by nature, so that's a 35% move to the upside from the current level. If you're thinking of getting in this market right now, please have a strategy. If you're entering this market right now, entry, exit, and profit taking levels. You know my levels. This is the range that we're currently going to be within. I'd say for at least 3-4 weeks, we're probably going to be within this level, this range here, guys. Even though I do have a target of about $11.20, I don't really think it's time to get there just yet. Okay, I'm going to say that, I'm not sure, guys. I need to see how this weekly is going to close in order to get a better understanding of the direction of the market here, okay? So I appreciate your time, guys. We're going to close it out here. Hopefully this wasn't a really long video and kind of confusing, but again, for the bulls, I do see the price getting at least getting above $20 at some point here. Just not sure how long it takes, but after that, okay, that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Leave an appropriate thumb just below the video there if you enjoyed the content. Leave a comment down below. Support the channel, guys. Let me know if you think that I am wrong about this. I'm okay with being wrong, guys. And it's not about being wrong. I make money in the markets, okay? And you should guys be focusing on that as well. Making money, entering these markets, whether it's long-term or, swinging these plays, okay? And again, guys, appreciate your time. We're going to cut out here. We also go over, before you go there, we also cover the alternative markets. If you guys are into Bitcoin and altcoins, we cover that 7 days a week. So hit that subscribe button, click that bell, and click where it says all so that you'll be notified where we see these markets going. Just follow us on our journey, guys. We really appreciate every single one of you. Okay? So I'll cut out here. Take care of yourselves. Protect your portfolio. We're going to talk very soon, and bye for now.